This is the Crucial. For in your pack or your pocket, this tool is packed with function and designed for action. Its large, partially serrated knife blade opens quickly with one hand using the large thumb stud. Stainless steel handles butterfly open to reveal long, versatile needle nose pliers that include a wire cutter. The ergonomically curved handles deliver a solid grip and increased torque. Also on board are sturdy Phillips and flathead drivers, a carabiner clip that doubles as a bottle opener, and a handy clip. All the features you want, none you don't. This is the Crucial.